Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best wood glues that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 10, we have the Gorilla Wood Glue. Gorilla Wood Glue is a trusted PVA product that's extremely efficient and extra strong. Though it's not waterproof, it is rated as ANSI HPVA Type 2, meaning it's water-resistant and excellent for any indoor projects or outdoor furniture that's covered and not exposed to rain. Whether you've got projects involving softwood or hardwood, this wood glue has your back. It can even take on composite wood materials. For best results, use the product in temperatures of at least 55 degrees Fahrenheit. When dry, it has a natural wood color, so it isn't the best choice for white or black surfaces, but the great thing is that it's effortless to clean up. If it's still wet, just wipe any residue off, and if it's hardened, you can scrape or sand it off. It even washes off hands easily with just soap and water. Items need to be clamped together for 30 minutes to create a good, tight bond, and then it takes a day to fully cure. You can also sand and paint over it for a smooth and natural finish. This product is long-lasting as well. If unopened, the glue has a shelf life of up to 2 years from the date of manufacture. Moving on, at number 9, we have the Elmers E7310 Carpenter's Wood Glue Max Interior and Exterior. Elmer's Carpenter's Wood Glue Max is a PVA product trusted by many carpenters and woodworking enthusiasts. This heat-resistant glue provides an extra strong bond on all wooden materials and needs to be clamped for 20 to 30 minutes. A day later, your project will be fully stuck and ready for you to sand, and it sands off extremely smoothly, ready for paint or varnish. The formula contains real wood fibers and can even be stained. Keep in mind that it does dry down to a natural tan wood color, so it isn't suitable for projects that require a clear finish. The nozzle makes for trouble-free application, and once your items adhere, they'll stay that way. What's more, this glue is ANSI Type 1, meaning it's fully waterproof and can be used for outdoor projects, too. One of the best things about this wood glue is that it's non-toxic, so you won't be breathing in any harmful fumes, even though it's always recommended to wear protective clothing and a mask when using glue. For this reason, it's safe to use inside and in a confined space. If you accidentally get this wood glue somewhere it's not supposed to go, it's painless to clean up with water and a clean cloth. At number 8, we have the Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. Hot glue guns are practical, convenient, and easy to use. They come in handy for an array of projects, from arts and crafts to furniture making and repair. These hot glue sticks from Gorilla can be used on various materials, including fabric, glass, plastic, and metal. But, unlike many other glue gun sticks on the market, they are also an excellent choice for sticking wood together. The glue is weather-resistant and can also be used for outdoor projects in an area protected from torrential rain. The glue dries completely clear, which is an added perk, and offers a very strong bond. While it works with low and high temperature glue gun settings, for more delicate projects, it's recommended to use a lower temperature. For more sturdy materials and a stronger hold, you'll need to ramp up that dial to make the glue gun super hot. The glue provides you with a 45-second working time to place the items exactly where you want them, and once dry, it is impact resistant. The sticks are 8 inches long with a 0.43-inch diameter. Make sure your glue gun can accommodate this size, and 20 come in the packet. This product has a shelf life of at least 1 year, so it's great to keep on hand for any projects that arise. At number 7, we have the Grizzly Glue Grizzly 1 Wood Glue. For all your outdoor woodworking projects including repairing outdoor furniture, decking, and fencing, get yourself a bottle of Made in America Grizzly 1 Wood Glue. It might be a little on the pricey side, but this industrial strength glue is so tough, it can even stick stone to wood, as long as the wood is porous. It can also glue oily wood, as well as treated lumber. The polyurethane glue is ready to use straight out of the bottle, no mixing is required, but you do need to spray it lightly with water. Dries clear and is waterproof. Make sure the temperature where you'll be working is at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. The product has a shelf life of at least 1 year, plenty of time to complete several outdoor projects with one bottle. It does take up to 5 hours to dry with a clamp, but this gives you around 30 minutes to work with it and set it up. On the other hand, it's fully cured in just 12 hours. You only need to use a little bit of this glue, as it expands as it dries and foams out of the joints. Apply it to both objects you want to adhere to. After that, you can scrape it off effortlessly with a knife and stain or paint over it. Its versatility and strength make this option our best wood glue for outdoor use. At number 6, we have the Weld Bond Multi-Surface, Non-Toxic Adhesive Glue. If you're after the best wood glue for indoor use that is safe enough for even your kids to use, then you might want to check out Weld Bond's Multi-Surface Adhesive. This glue is odorless, emits no fumes, and is non-flammable. This PVA adhesive is versatile enough to be used on many different materials in addition to wood, including glass, fabric, ceramic, and metal, to name just a few, making it a great choice for your kids' school craft projects. The ideal application temperature for this product is at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything colder could make it unusable. Using this glue is a breeze as it has a slightly thicker consistency that doesn't drip or run, and sanding over it is also easy. You can even paint over it to create your desired finish. The small nozzle helps you get into those tiny gaps, and it dries completely clear. It's super strong, water-resistant, weatherproof, and offers a flexible hold. The set comes with two 5.4-ounce bottles, though on the smaller side compared to some of the others on this list. Having small bottles instead of one large one helps extend the 1-year shelf life. At number 5, we have the PC Products 20-gram Clear Adhesive. Providing quick and strong repairs on furniture items that are cracked, split, broken, or a bit wobbly, Wonderlock Tight Chairs is an extra strength adhesive product you'll want to keep on standby. This product is not one of those glues that causes wood to swell. It dries totally clear, and can go undetected, providing a powerful 4,000 pounds per square inch, PSI, hold that's not likely to unstick anytime soon. As a CA glue, it's very thin and penetrates easily. However, it can be runny if you squeeze too much out, and you don't want to get it on your skin, so make sure you're donning a pair of protective gloves when using it. Although it's not likely to run if you squeeze just a drop or two out of the small bottle. The water-resistant adhesive comes with a super slim nozzle that can fit in the teeniest of gaps. It dries within 5 minutes and can be used on furniture joints that are made from metal, glass, or rubber, too. At number 4, we have the JB Weld 50112 ClearWeld 5-minute set epoxy. Coming in an easy-to-apply syringe format, JB Weld ClearWeld glue dries in just 5 minutes and cures in 1 hour. This is the ideal glue for anyone who wants quick results, although there is a little bit of mixing involved before you can begin. This is extremely simple to do, however. The kit comes with a mixing tray and a stir stick, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio, which is rather foolproof. The glue should be applied at temperatures of 40 degrees Fahrenheit and above. The product cures to a clear color and can take on many materials, including wood, plastic, concrete, and ceramic. This heavy-duty glue has a 3,900 psi tensile strength. It sets extremely strong and is water-resistant. The syringe bottle has an innovative cap that provides a tight seal that prevents the glue from drying out or leaking, meaning you can use it over and over again. It also has a shelf life of 3 years, so you'll be able to get your money's worth. While the glue is not brittle once it's set, it doesn't allow for as much flexibility as a hide or PVA glue. At number 3, we have the Titebond 16 ounces. Genuine hide glue. Hide glue is excellent for anyone who prefers wood glue, which offers a little reversibility in case of mistakes. Like most hide glues, Titebond's genuine hide glue can also be reactivated with heat and water in case you need to make any changes. To set, however, this product doesn't need any heating and is ready to go as is. The glue is an amber color straight from the bottle but is translucent when it dries. The product comes in a ready-to-use liquid with a handy nozzle for tight spots. and although hide glue generally has a short open time, this version offers a little more leeway and won't dry out as quickly. It cleans up swiftly with just water and can be painted over once dry. It's recommended to use it in temperatures of 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Once applied, make any necessary adjustments within 10 to 20 minutes. It will be dry to the touch in about 1 hour and fully cured in 1 day. Also, keep in mind that hide glue is not waterproof or water resistant, so your project should be kept indoors when drying. At number 2, we have the Opel Premium Wood Glue. Though our top picks for the best wood glue and the best wood glue on a budget are also PVA glues, the Opel Premium Wood Glue is another extra strength option worth mentioning. It's reasonably priced, dries clear, and can be used on softwoods, hardwoods, natural wood composite materials, and wood laminations, as well as cardboard, paper, and crafts. Once it's dry, you can sand and paint over it. This water-based glue is an ideal glue for children to use on their homework projects and smells a little like school glue at first, an odor that disappears quite quickly after application. It sets in just 10 minutes and provides superior hold. This means that there's only a short amount of time to work with it before it's rock solid, so a little care is needed for accuracy. The bottle has a nozzle for more precise application, and the glue is slightly runny, so you'll want to be careful not to squeeze too much out at a time. However, it's easy to wipe away any excess with just water and a cloth. It's also suitable for outdoor use as it's water resistant. With a shelf life of 1 year and a cure time of 1 to 2 hours, you'll want to keep a bottle handy for upcoming projects. And finally at number 1, we have the Starbond 2 ounces. Super fast thin CA glue. We all know and refer to cyanoacrylate, CA, glue as superglue instant glue that can stick things together faster than you can say, cyanoacrylate. This glue can stick anything: wood, metal, ceramic, and tile or vinyl, leather, and fabric. It'll quickly become your go-to for quick fixes around the house, as well as DIY projects. Starbond's Super Fast Instant CA adhesive is a high-quality, super CA that not only adheres objects together but seals and strengthens bonds, too. This industrial strength product is ideal for use in cracks, as it can stabilize them and stop them from getting any worse. It has a water-thin consistency that soaks into the wood and won't drip out to the sides, but if left to dry on visible wood, note that it has a clear, high-gloss finish. Instead of squeezing out a big blob, it's recommended to apply several thinner layers for smooth results and to avoid any air bubbles. Keep in mind it also dries fast, so there is little working time. The pack conveniently comes with 2 applicators, 8 micro-tip extensions for tiny gaps, and a nozzle stopper that prevents the bottle from clogging up. If you store the bottle in a cool, dry place at a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, the manufacturer also guarantees its 2.5-year shelf life. Don't forget a mask and gloves when using this glue to avoid super gluing your fingers together.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.